Right, I think this is good. What's this? Oh, what the? What the hell is this? Wait, what? What on earth is this? Oh, I'm already recording shit. Oh, hello. Guess we better do the intro then. Oh, well, we'll just do it like this. It looks kind of funny. Hey guys, I'm Tyler. As you can see, I'm a bit of an idiot. And welcome back to another one of my videos. They're not all like this, I don't think, or at least I don't hope anyway. I don't really know what's going on with my camera, to be honest. Different weird little filters. I've downloaded a new program. It's got weird football effects by the looks of it. I look like a football. Alright. Oh well. Alright, let's switch back to the normal screen. It's kind of weird. There we go. That's a lot better. Hello guys. Real quick before I get into this video, I want to explain something that I've noticed on my channel, and 96.6% of you that's not subscribed, shame on you. No, I'm kidding, but please consider subscribing if you like my videos. There'll be a lot more content coming out. Stick around to the end of this video. There's going to be a lot of really important details in this video about my YouTube channel, my Twitch, everything like this. It's all going to be explained in this one video for you guys. So stick around to the end, and we're going to get to a few of these points. One thing I just want to explain really quickly before I get into the points is that the background video. This was actually a Fortnite game I was playing today. I just played a random solo, just because why not? I want to have a bit of fun. And I end up being really aggressive. I don't know why I'm never usually that aggressive, and I end up with 14 kills. I placed top 6 because I died to some twat with a heavy sniper. I just didn't duck in time. It's my own fault. But anyway, so the background video is just that, cut down to short little bits. Hope you guys like it. I thought it was just a bit cool, a bit of a cool background video, to be honest. So yeah, we're gonna have that in the background while I speak to you guys about some of these points. So let's get right into that. Why I do that for? What's the point of that? I don't know. Anyway, so one of the first main points what I wanted to explain and talk to you guys about, and I want your opinions on this as well. So please make sure you go into the description below. Make sure you go to the comments below and comment any thoughts you have about this, and any good things that I pick out and I find them really useful and helpful. I will shout any of you guys out in the next video if you give me some helpful advice. Bring some subscribers over, stuff like that. I'll shout you out. Cool. So, what games / content should I produce? So, I've been thinking from the past week, because I know I've not been active for the past week. I've been at my dad's, and I've just been thinking about this Twitch and YouTube business a lot, to be honest, and what content should I produce? What content do you guys want to see me produce for you? What games do you want to see me play? Any content like the stream setup sort of stuff, like the stream overlays. That video did quite good. Any games? I'm thinking to produce a fun little series actually, because I've just switched from controller to keyboard and mouse on games, so I'm now a PC player. I was thinking about doing some games and doing some videos of like clips of some kills and stuff, putting it like this is what 1 week looks like on mouse and keyboard from controller sort of thing, stuff like that. I thought that would be quite cool to do. I've been racking up some Fortnite clips that's quite interesting and good to put in. So yeah, what games do you guys want to see me do? Any games I play, like stuff like Fortnite, simulation games you guys know from previous videos. Any games like that. Minecraft I'm playing now. I'm getting quite into Minecraft now. I also bought Rainbow Six Siege yesterday. It was really cheap on the Epic Game Store, so if you guys haven't got that and you really want to get it, it's £8 on the Epic Game Store for the Deluxe Edition and £6 for the regular. So I'll be playing that with my friend a lot and be putting the videos out on that hopefully. So that'll be quite fun to try, I guess. But yeah, so if there's any games in particular you want to see me play, then leave them in the comments down below and I'll see what I can do. Any interesting things you could think I could do in the videos, funny things that will make people laugh. I'm not really that funny, but I was debating whether to put this point in, to be honest, because this is about a loose schedule. Now, at the minute, my schedule was every Friday posting a video on YouTube. But then I was doing Twitch. I was sticking to that Friday video a lot, but I just didn't think it was enough, because if you look on my channel now, I'm pretty sure there's like, how many videos is there now? I think it's only like 4 videos on there at the minute, so it's kind of bad, to be honest. So yeah, so my schedule at the minute is every Friday for the regular videos, and for these like update videos on games, like what a week looks like sort of thing, what I just spoke about, I was going to do that on a separate day on YouTube so it doesn't fill that gap. so it doesn't fill that spot of that Friday video. Twitch, I'm trying to stream on Twitch every day, but I really want to cut that down so I can put more content out on YouTube. I'm still be doing Twitch. We'll get into Twitch in the next point, but what like schedule is good for you guys? What do you want to see me do? Do you want me to not to have a schedule, like a solid schedule to stick to? Do you just want me to bulk upload, so I just make videos every week, put them out as soon as they're ready, don't schedule them, just chuck them out whenever they're ready, upload it, chuck it out, stuff like that? Do you want me to do that, or do you want me to stick to a schedule like the Friday videos, or what? So the Twitch channel is doing alright. There was an incident that happened that caused me to get 1.3k followers, so if you want to see that, it's on a clip on my Twitch. My Twitch will be in the description below right now. It's the Noodle Simulator on Twitch. Right, before any of you guys say, I have rebranded my account so many times. Now it is just Tyler James. It's just Tyler James, no stupid noodle thing, nothing like that. Tyler James, my real name, Tyler James. I just thought it'd be better for that. I'm going to rename my Twitch in, I think it's 4 days. 4 days my Twitch will be renamed, but anyway, my Twitch will be in the description. It's also on my channel links, on my banner. So go follow that. We need to get affiliate, actually, where we just need to get 3 average viewers now to get affiliate. And what affiliate means is that I can get subscriptions, which means I can gain money off of Twitch, which will ultimately give you guys a better experience on videos and the streams. I'll produce better content, stuff like this. So it's all worth it. It's free to follow. It's free to subscribe on YouTube. Free to follow on Twitch. Everything's free. Sorry, my water bottle was about to fall off my desk. It's all free, guys. So just go over there, drop a follow on my Twitch. It'll be much appreciated. Tune into a stream one day. Even if it's just leaving the stream on the background, it really helps to get affiliate, because an average view is 3 is actually quite difficult, at least to begin with anyway. So even if you just leave it on in the background, like I said, it really helps. But go check out my stream one day, come in the chat, say hi. We may even play together. I have a Discord. It'll be in the description below as well. It's also in the channel links, everything like this. This Discord is just going to be a really nice community of people from my Twitch, my YouTube, my friend's Twitch, his YouTube if he starts posting videos. Teo, I'm talking to you on that one. But yeah, go in. I've invited you guys to that server. There's a link below. Just join that server. Go through the rules and everything. Make sure you accept the rules. Don't break them, else I will have to kick you from the server. I just want it to be a nice community of people. We can chat together on the server. I'll be on the Discord a lot more than I will on like comments. So if you want to chat regularly, you maybe want to call me or something, I'm always there. Just drop at me a message or something like that on the Discord and we'll talk. We may even play some games. You may even find some other friends on Discord, you never know. So yeah, it's all worth it in the end. It's free, as I say, nothing you have to pay for, just need a Discord account really. And I think everyone in 2020 sort of has a Discord account, so yeah. Right, so the next point, I know this is sort of me just going through the next point, the next point, the next point, the next point, and the next point, but it's just, I have to do a video of bulking this stuff out, otherwise it's never going to get done really, is it? Why so loud? Stop mowing your lawns, man. I'm trying to do a video here, Jesus Christ. What are my aims for all of this? Now, what I mean by that is, what are my aims for the YouTube, for the Twitch, just basically the whole of this video stuff? What's my end aim? What's my end goal for all of this? Now, really, I've been spending the past week, as I say at my dad's, I have been thinking a lot about this. I've really just been getting my head together thinking, should I carry it on? Is it really worth it? Are people really interested? Do people really watch? And at the minute, no, they don't really watch. I haven't really got many subscribers. Videos aren't particularly doing that well. So yeah, it might be like a down point to everyone. If their videos don't do well, they might quit. I really don't want to quit, but I really just want my videos to do half decently and not crap like they are now, to be honest. My Twitch, I really want more people in my Twitch to chat to me, to get a nice little community together. It'll be really nice to stream then. At the minute, it's just kind of a drag. But yeah, I'm sticking with it. My goal for YouTube is 100 subs. That's obviously everyone's first goal for YouTube. It's 100 subs. At the minute, we're at 33, so we're something like 67 subs out of 100. Then after that, it'll be 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000, all of this sort of stuff. You get it. So that's just the goals for this YouTube. For Twitch, like I said before, is affiliate. I've already explained what affiliate is. I'm not going to go into that again. But yeah, so just go over to my Twitch, follow there, subscribe to my YouTube if you haven't already. It all helps me so much. It will motivate me so much. You'll produce better content, more energetic content like this. Is this energetic? I don't really know. No, seriously, it helps so much when people like my videos, comment. It's really heartwarming to see those, because it actually makes me think that it's not all robots watching my videos. But yeah, that's that basically. So next thing is just a little side note. Yeah, so this is another thing that I was debating whether to put in or not. The video is getting kind of long now. It's 12 minutes. It might be shorter than this. I don't know. I've not cut it down yet. But I am aware that my content is very mixed matchy at the minute. It's like you've got Euro Truck stuff on one side. You've then got Stream Element stuff. Then there's going to be Minecraft stuff. It will just be all over the place, mixed matchy. I don't know, do you guys like that sort of thing? Because I know there'll be certain people that subscribe for the Stream Element stuff, certain people that subscribe for the Euro Truck stuff, other people subscribe for different games. I don't know. Should I keep doing mixed matchy content? Like I say, bulk uploading as soon as a video's done, just check it out there. Should I do that? This point really is for you guys to let me know what you want to do, because it's not helpful if no one tells me what to do. Because ultimately it's you guys I'm producing the videos for, not me. You guys are the one that's watching it. There's no point in me producing videos if no one's going to watch it. So let me know what you want to do. Let me know it will be fun things to do in videos, in streams, stuff like this. Again, I'll shout people out if they give me great suggestions to do. And yeah, that's about this for that video. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I guess I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Goodbye. Well, this video is really fun to make. I think I covered some great points today, actually. But yeah, let me know anyway about some of the points. Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll catch you next week, hopefully. Goodbye.